this is King Jose. Welcome to my show, and I'm making you tagliatelle alla Pollo tonight, which is in Italian and Spanish means chicken pasta. These are the ingredients, which is in total cost me £10 for 4 people. Everybody loves it, and hopefully you will like it too. Okay, my pan is getting hot, and please, when you use raw meat, raw chicken, raw fish, anything on these things, always wash it, that you can use whatever you want it afterwards, because it's dangerous. I'll take this part of the bad part of the chicken, the skins and the vein. Now, the reason I cut those things off, because it won't taste nice and it's not a really good idea to have it in the food. I cut it in 3 pieces. These are very good big chicken. Always get the 2 pieces of big chicken or 3 pieces, whatever you want, but make sure the chicken is big because they are healthier, and the small ones got too much water and salt. And you cut this in dice, then you put them into the pan. While I cut the other one, exactly the same. And once this is cooking, my water is getting ready to boil for pasta. Now I'll finish this, I'm gonna wash this, then come back to you. Okay, I'm stirring this. Put the lid on for a couple of minutes. While I'm waiting for that, I'll cut the onion. I have 3 garlic, I slice the mushroom. I take the bottom of it off. Don't cut them too thin and don't cut them too thick, in 3 pieces. Okay, now I take the lid off. By the way, when I cut the chicken, I wash this and I put the new gloves and I wash my hand before I put the gloves on. I put salt in, about 1 teaspoon, and ground white pepper. You can use cracked black pepper as well. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. On this one, lots of people like it spicy, and I put 1/2 a teaspoon of crushed chilli. Now stir this. Okay, I put all this in, and I put vegetable stock or chicken stock if you want. And beat up hot water, not cold water. And I put about 1/2 cup of red wine and stir it. And I put 1/2 a tomato puree, 1/2 a tube, to get the color into it. Leave it for 2 minutes, and then I use tomato passata. After 5 to 10 minutes, this is cooked. You add chopped tomato, because I didn't wear my glasses, I didn't realize accidentally I put the plum tomato instead of chopped tomato. But it still does the same job, because what I done is took them out and cut them with knife. Once this is stirring, about 5 minutes. I'll cut this pineapple. Put the pineapple in. I'll put the cream right at the last, because if it overheats, it will split and it won't taste good. I'll put that right at the last when it's ready. And I'll always use double cream. Don't use single cream or whipped cream. It's not good for the pasta. This is nearly ready. I'll put a bit of olive oil that they don't stick, and a bit of salt gives the flavor as well. And then I put the tagliatelle in. I prefer white and green. The green one is made of spinach and flour, and this is just a plain flour and egg. But they didn't have it in the supermarket. And tagliatelle doesn't take that long to cook, only about 3-4 minutes. Stir it, that they don't stick together, and at the same time they open. Okay, I'll turn this one down because that's ready. And that takes 3-4 minutes to get ready. Now I will add the double cream. You see the lovely color? Now I'll leave this for 3-4 minutes until ready with the pasta. And while you're waiting for this, I want to say thank you to all the nurses and the policemen and the firemen, all the government people, especially nurses and doctors, that they done everything they can to help people. Unfortunately, there's so many people going through difficulty. And that's why I make this program, that what people can afford or what you can eat, which you like or nice or cheapest way. And even I'm in bad condition, I'm doing my best to survive, because there's people who are worse than me. But I love to say thank you to all the nurses and doctors. We love you all. Okay, I drained the pasta. The pasta is ready. And I put a bit of light olive oil, because you don't want to stick the pasta. You stir that. Okay, now dish the pasta. Now I'll put the Parmesan cheese. I like it sliced. I like to put fresh basil around it, because fresh basil is give a very good kick to the pasta. And voila, this is ready. This is a tagliatelle alla pollo and fresh basil, and it's absolutely delicious. Everybody loves it. Thank you.